Hey, good morning. And it's Chatbot Ninja Ian Wallace Harper here. And it's time for a quick bite-sized training on how to connect a Namecheap domain. Because I did do it on my longer one. I did both um, GoDaddy and Namecheap. But I decided I'm going to split it up and do a single video for Namecheap and a single video for GoDaddy. So here we go. Let's move on, and I'm going to share my screen. Let me go to share my screen to here, share, and we'll go to here. And we've got my Namecheap already here, and I've got BizStackPro. So I've just bought an email, not an email, a domain. So let's go back to BizStackPro Asia. Okay, for directly for BizStackPro. So I'm going to manage that one and go to here and have a look at what we've got. We've got advanced DNS. So we'll come back to this in a moment. We'll go to my BizStackPro. And on the left-hand side, we've got settings. And we got, let's go to settings at the bottom. Let me sort of bring that up a little bit better for us to see. Again, I've got settings, and we've got domains on the left-hand side, just around here. So it's domains. Click on domains. And we're going to add a domain. These are all the domains I've got at the moment, but we're going to add a domain. And we're going to add BizStackPro. BizStackPro.Asia. I also want to add the www dot. Yeah, so I'm going to make sure it's there. BizStackPro.Asia. And we're going to continue. It's looking for the domain. It'll find it in my Namecheap, and these are the records that I'm going to have to put in there manually. And I'm going to do something a little bit different in a moment, because I want to set up no, I'll do that in another video. Okay, so verify records. I'm not going to touch. I'm going to grab this first one, which is the IP, and it's going to be a record. So we've got to go back to Namecheap and set up advanced DNS. And we're going to add a record. It's already got a couple of parts. This is a parking page and whatever. So we can leave those in, and we're going to add a new record. And we're going to add an A record. We're going to put the @ sign in the here, and we're going to put in the copied IP address, which is this one, and it's going to leave it at automatic. The next one we're going to put in is a CNAME. So we're going to add a CNAME record. The CNAME record, and we're going to add it there. And we're going to go back to our BizStackPro, and we're going to copy the second one. We need to put in www dot in the host, and we're going to put in, copy this one, copy, back to here in the host, we're going to put www dot, which we've already got there. And in the target one, we're going to put this one that we copied. And then we're going to tick as OK. Now we go back to BizStackPro, and then we're going to say verify the records. So it's verifying the record. It may take a minute, couple of minutes to do this, but around about 30 seconds should be okay, depending on the speed of the internet and the speed of the server at Namecheap. Well, once we've got that, it'll come up and it'll say, "Yay, we've got it!" So just like that, yay, the domain BizStackPro Asia is added successfully. Now we can link it up to a domain, and I'm going to link it up to my website building demo, because we can change that at any time later. I'm just going to do that, and then the home and link the domain. To do that, we've already done it, so we're fine. So now we got BizStackPro Asia and www dot BizStackPro Asia in our BizStackPro. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video, which will be possibly doing the GoDaddy domains. I'll see you then. I'll stop sharing, and so I'll say goodbye. And this is Chatbot Ninja, Ian Wallace Harper, and I will sign off right now and get ready to do another video in a moment.